30th, they are doing their thing. The show is called The Big Boys of Shibale. Na wamekuja hapa hivi watuonyeshe what it's all about. So I'm going to toss it over to them right about now. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the big boys of Shibale. Turn the cast.
Oya liranga, oya wikurim, oya liranga, aliranga, aliranga. Chahulola bana babo, Dumbuya chahulola bana babo. Oya wikurim, oya liranga, oya wikuri, oya liranga, hariranga, hariranga. Kabuse, kabuse. Kabuse, 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 kabuse. Zambo we hoila. The 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 big boys of Shibale have declared Shibale a war zone. The township has been declared ungovernable. No coming in, no going out.
The Bungoma Mumias Kakamega Highway has been closed from Mayoni to Ekero. Tear gas everywhere.
Rubber bullets everywhere.
On this side, Saleh with his group of goons carrying sticks, stones, and everything at their disposal.
On this other side, ladies and gentlemen, we have Kevo Bright Mukwano. With the full backing of the government, all police units are in place. GSU, Reke Squad, FFU, Fanya Fujo Wone.
Now, stones are flying from this side to that side.
Rubber bullets and tear gas from this side to the other side.
It is noisy.
It is messy.
It is noisy.
Messy with a lot of casualties. All because of the big boys of shibale.
Pulo.
All right.
Hey, pulo. Kwanza tuambie mnasema nini kwa hii song?
Kuna mtu anaitisha bibi. Okay.
Hii song inasema kuhusu mke na iliimbwa na Steve K. Inasema mbemuhas means nipe mke.
Hey!
Sasa tunaitumia kwa
mbemuhas.
Yes.
So mbemuhasi.
Wewe huwezi kusema hivyo.
No, sinasema.
Sila Afrika wamekupatia hapa key holder.
Washanipatia key holder.
Wewe huwezi kusema hivyo. Wacha bana. We will not stand here. Wacha bana. Wewe huwezi kusema hivyo.
Unanisaidia. Aya.
Go fire.
Shut up boy.
Wagwan.
We there
pandisi.
Mana bad thing.
Wabebe. Unisaidie. Wabebe tena. More fire. Yes.
Tell us about the thing.
We there pandisi man.
Wewe ndio producer, director, creator, wewe ndio
everything
on the thing. Tell us
about from the big boy. You're the big boy.
Man, a bad man thing. Stamina, big energy. Aya. Tuambie.
What the
thing is about.
Please put a spicy microphone. Okay.
What is the big boys of Shibale about?
The big boys of Shibale.
Yeah.
Mark, come here. This one is a big boy of Shibale.
Okay.
Ile tu akikaa kando yako hataka big boy. But he is a big boy.
He's a big boy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wacha ongea hiyo part ya script. Mimi ndo ongea pande nyingine ya pesa.
Sawa.
So big boys of Shibale ni narrative. It's a story. We are telling a story accompanied by some music and a little acting about a town called Shibale.
Where is this town?
This town is in Western Kenya on the Bungoma Kisumu Kakamega Kisumu highway opposite Mumias Sugar Factory.
Okay.
So story ya hii place is a sad story because the town depended on Mumias Sugar for a long time sustain. Then kukakuja place Mumias Sugar ikazama.
Yeah.
So tuna follow story ya vijana wanne, maboys wanne wenye walikataa kuhama. Walisema sisi hatuendi mahali, hii ndo hood. So wali survive aje. So
that's what the story is about.
Yeah.
Yes.
So how did these big boys of Shibale become big boys? Na ni nini wanafanya hiyo town? Wamekataa kuhama. Ni siri gani wako nayo hiyo town yenye watu wengine hawajui?
Okay.
Yeah, that is the story.
So now that the thing is on and well explained,
Yes.
Itakuwa wapi? Itakuwa lini? So wewe ni mtu wa pesa.
Yes. Unaona kuna pali wakianza kwa narration walisema in a definition of a big boy. Some call themselves a big boy if they know someone high up.
Yes.
Yes. So in that definition, I'm a big boy because I know you.
Man, a bad man.
Yeah, man.
And me, I'm the biggest boy because I know Jesus.
More life.
Top that.
You can't, man. Amazingness. Anyway, so wadau hii show iko Kenya National Theatre. Wale wajui Kenya National Theatre wamekuwa wakipita na dunia. Kenya National Theatre iko pale. Okay, nikisema Central Police Station wataogopa. Nairobi University.
Yes.
Okay.
Norfolk.
Ama opposite Norfolk. Lakini hawajatulipa. Tuseme UN, hiyo ni ya serikali. Hiyo barabara tu ya UN hapo tu. Of course kutakuwa na kelele mingi sana. You will know the Kenya National Theatre. Hapo ndio tuko on Sunday which is 30th. Siku ni mbili tu. All right? First show